Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and locating the keyboard controls so you can change correction behavior directly. First, go to System or General Management, then Languages and Input. Once there, tap On-Screen Keyboard and choose the keyboard currently enabled, like Gboard or Apple Keyboard. You do this because correction settings live inside the specific keyboard app. Make sure the keyboard you pick is the one you use for typing, otherwise changes won't apply to your messages or apps. Next, navigate to text correction or typing inside that keyboard settings and locate autocorrection, predictive text, and spell check options. Turn off autocorrection first so the keyboard stops replacing words automatically, then disable predictive suggestions to remove the inline word guesses. If you see a personal dictionary or suggestion list, clear or edit entries to prevent repeated corrections. You do this because these combined features create unwanted replacements. Disabling them puts you back in control of Finally, test your changes by typing in notes or messages to make sure corrections are gone and typing feels natural. If autocorrect still appears, restart the keyboard by switching to another keyboard and back, or reboot the device to apply settings. Should problems persist, reset the keyboard settings, or reinstall the keyboard app to clear corrupted preferences. One troubleshooting tip: check for system-level language or accessibility features that may re-enable correction. Disable those as well if present to fully stop automatic corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.